This is my wonderful wife. This is for Farkles1. I promised him she could out-burp him. Out-burp any man. Let her rip. You do better than that. There you go.
Well, give me a minute.
She's rocking it. Farkles, this is for you. She's the star of the show. I'm just having a course. Come on, you know better than that.
I'm the little one.
Stage fright.
Not easy just to burp.
You can do better than that. Here you go. Straight up. Stage fright.
Not stage right. There you go.
No.
Abby, good night.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm dying.
Come on, you gotta beat Farkles.
There.
No, no, keep on going.
I can't keep burping.
It's only 1.5 minutes.
Okay, that's enough. I'm
No,
done.
there's some more.
No, I'm done.
No, come on, come on, come on. You
Mike.
gotta beat Farkles. Make me look bad.
Ugh,
Stage fright.
it is live.
Of course, off camera, she.
Burps louder. Okay, I'm
Come
done.
on.
I can't do any more. Thank you, and here's to you.
Say Farkles. No, wait, no, Fran. Say hi, Farkles.
Hi, Farkles.
Call him a son of a bitch. No, say get the fuck out of here.
No, why would you say that?
Just say it, say it.
No, I'm not saying that.
Farkles, get the fuck out of here.
My husband is crazy. Totally.
Yes. Am I fat?
No,
Why should I say I'm fat?
I don't know.
Middle-aged spread. That's all I got. Am I fat?
No.
Do I fart better? I'll keep her going.
But I'm done.
I fart better than she does.
I don't do that. All right, done.
Get the fuck out of here.
Ugh,
Fucker.
ugh.
Fucking Yankee.